good people here. Everybody knows everybody. We get a lot of people here local to eat here breakfast every morning. We have a real good breakfast. Cheapest place in town. We have a ringer burger. We have any kind of burger you want. We have curly fries, beer battered fries. We have fried okra. About anything you want. We get a lot of hunters in. We had a bunch of them in this morning. They hunt and they come in and eat breakfast after they get through hunting.
Every time we hunt, after the time we come in for the day or lunch, supper, we come here and eat. I get a hamburger steak. It's great. I enjoy it.
It's down-home cooking, and everybody in here is very friendly, and we enjoy it.
Home-style cooking is what it's about. We make our own ranch. We make everything pretty much here. We do buffet 7 days a week. We close on Sunday at 2 o'clock. We cook everything. We make our own. We make our own French fry. We season our own chicken fried steak. It's all home cooked, home grown. We home make everything here pretty much. We don't buy a lot off the trucks. We like to do our own, like we make our homemade bread. We sell a lot of homemade bread. We have very good staff. We're proud of all of them.